And we're live in 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KV. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. For today's video, it's gonna just be me taking down my twists. I told you guys I will show you guys how I take them down, how I style my twist out after I wore my twists for maybe a few days, at the most 2 weeks. It's been about a week and a few days now. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take them out. Let's get right into the video. Yeah, I completely forgot the oil. Okay, so the oil that I use is Aiko Style New Black Castor and New Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil from Eco Style. It's a maximum hair growth oil. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I've only used this maybe 3 or 4 times, so I'm not exactly sure how good it works, but it says that you're supposed to just put some of your hands, rub it together, and distribute evenly into hair. Now, the few times I've used it to take down some twists, and I'll massage it into my scalp. I'm not going to use it today because I can't find my hand sanitizer, and I don't know where my Aggie one is to go to the bathroom and wash my hands. We're going to get right back into it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use this because I feel bad, because I feel like my twists are gonna look dry and I don't want to show y'all a dry twist out. I also realized I just said that really fast. Long story short, I'm gonna use it. Okay. Okay, thumbnail. That's not it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like this video. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. If you have any questions or comments, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I promise you I will respond. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your week. I will see you guys next week. Bye.